I did this wrong. Okay. would not have tried this at home. Oh crap, my glove has given up. Oh bugger. Okay, well, there's no intro for this video, so I guess might as well. Yeah. So I'm trying to make a little small boat. Trying to figure out what material I should put on for the sail, but for now I guess I'm just carving in some little details. You can see this side. What I'm doing is probably going to be considered dangerous because I'm pointing in the wee chisel to myself. I'd probably get shamed for doing it like that, but you know what? Whatever gets the job done for me at this point. But you don't do this. Don't do it like I'm doing. But smart thing to do would be to like almost like lock your wrist, or okay, I wouldn't lock my wrist because I'm gonna be using the. I mean, you still want to keep it strong, but like a strong whatever on it. Just be very careful when you're working towards yourself, and just try to like. What I recommend in a situation like this is like you can do that probably like in a further away area like this. But if you want to go closer, that's gonna be a bad idea. So rather turn the whole thing around, I guess. It's just for any daredevils out there that are trying to think that they're funny, like me. I don't think I'm funny, but it should do the trick. That should do the trick. This should do the trick. I freaking hope it does. Okay, it's coming in. Making a fine mess here. I was going to pass this thing off as an ASMR, but I could put it off as an unintentional ASMR, I guess. Or at least like a pretty intentional one. I don't know if the audio quality is going to be that good because I'm just shooting it on my phone. But hey, some camera and some microphone is better than no one, eh? Yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna keep carving away. Just very careful for this mast, because like it's literally just a stick that I picked up in the back or like in the back of the house and just like decided like shave them down a little bit and just like very crudely do it. Okay, well, I'm gonna try something stupid. Don't do what I'm doing right now unless you have very good wrist control and a very good focus on the bloody thing, even when you're damn talking like me. Yeah, sorry for that. Yeah. These little chisels are very nice, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it's like this little set of like I put them in this little Tupperware thingy, but I can't believe Tupperware went out of business. That's a bad thing. Honestly, I think we all need some Tupperware buckets in our houses, you know. Anyway, so these are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's like 6 these little mini chisels in each like little head. That's something you gotta do. I mean, I just bought this in a P&A store, so, or just like a little, I don't know, like some, you know, where you get your back to school. I don't know, around here we get it at this specific shop. But like, I don't know, these little chisels are, they get the job done. I think you can probably just like wherever you get your back to school gear. If they have like art supplies or something like that, we want to look for these little wood chisels because I really like them for like little details. I don't have like those big shot woodworking tools, but I mean I do have bigger chisels, but Because I mean, I work with wood and but I work with metal mostly nowadays. But these little minis, they come in handy. They work like charms. So yeah, I keep doing this. Yep. I'm not sure if this video is going to get a lot of views, but I gotta get something for it, haven't I? Decided to freaking finish this boat. This little boat has been sitting outside of my shop, or like, well, okay, technically inside of the house, beside the door to my shop for like, I don't know, probably a few months already. So by tonight I decided to like, you know, do something with it. I still gotta like, I still gotta file out the inside of it. Man, unless I could keep it that way and like fill it up with some kind of a glue or something just to like smooth out or like coat maybe I should coat it up with wood filler. Nah, that would just smell bad. I don't know about wood filler. I don't know about any other woodworker, but wood filler, that smell, I don't know. But that is something you don't want in your own house. I once had that. I once had this thing where I made like a wooden sword, but when I finished making it, actually it was like, yeah, it was this big one that I made, and I decided that I would like put wood filler in there. Like, because I had like this hole in there, this big hole in like the middle of the blade, I think. It was not like a hole like all the way through, but it was like it was enough to like kind of mess with your like, or at least it was enough to like annoy me. So I decided to fill her up with wood filler. And every other thing that I made with wood that I had wood filler, what I would keep in my room where I sleep. So so after a while, I started getting headaches, and I don't know if it was because of that. It could have just been because of like school stress, because back in my past I was in school, even though it was recently, or at least, no, well, but like what happened was, then when I figured out, I don't know, I was talking to somebody who was doing woodwork as well at home, and he was like, "No, bro, you gotta get that out of your house, or you gotta get that out of your room. That stuff will melt your brain," he said. Or something in that line. He didn't say that exactly. I threw that one in there. But either way, he told me to not put that in my room where I sleep. And so yeah, when I got rid of it, I could actually breathe. Because I figured out the reason I was having such difficulty sleeping was because the bloody smell was... I mean, the smell already was unbearable, but I thought I could handle it and, just go to sleep, and because it was late and I need to go to bed. But, you know what? Life be lifing. I'm still alive, and I survived. And I would thank the Lord every day for that one. For many other things, among many other things. Let me tell you. Never forget what you do in your life, yeah? Because of him, I'm not sad. It's because of him that I haven't stabbed my face yet with this chisel. Oh crap, I've gotten off camera. Oh no. Okay, I'm just gonna... Okay, because... As I said before, but earlier in this video... Okay, I got 3 minutes left on this video before my phone dies on me. So, I'm not exactly gonna edit this video. I'm just gonna post it, and I'm gonna hope that it goes... that it might be entertaining for somebody out there in the world. Or maybe if it would spark some ideas for making a little wooden boat. Maybe even thinking about getting some extra miniature tools or stuff for woodworks. I don't know if my camera would focus on this. Focus. Nope. Is it diffusing? But anyways, I guess I will say please subscribe, I guess. I wasn't one that wanted to ask for subscriptions or likes or whatever in my channel, because that's what a lot of people do in almost every video on YouTube. But you know what? I'll just say it once, and maybe a couple of other times in the future, if I feel like the people that watch at home aren't at least compensated. Because, like, honestly, it's just a like and a subscribe is free, and like, if you think about it, like, I made the whole video, so please, my only compensation, the only little bit of gratitude, it'll be like tipping, you know, but with likes and views and like whatever else, you know. But I hope that this video would find its way around in the world. Maybe I will be able to share some other ideas about it, or about something else, but yeah. Anyways, I'm thinking I'm going to have to end this video here, because I don't want to... Anyways, I would say we got nice and far with this wee boat. I still need to figure out the inside, but yeah, the patterns are coming out, so there's a little hole there. Or, okay, no, it's not a hole, but there it is for the mast. But I got 2 fingers here. I got this pair of gloves like a week ago. So the fact, it's probably because I do a lot of like metalworks with it too, like grinding and filing and a lot of other cuttings, and all this side starts to like wear and tear, but why this side doesn't exactly at the same rate, I don't know. But the thing I really would like is wear and tear proof gloves in the world, or just some type of glove that wouldn't break so easily. At least I would like to find the pair of the most durable gloves that I could find. And like, I've already gone through so many pairs of gloves in the past, in my life, you know, like you look back into the distant past and whatever. But hey, okay, my timer's about to run out, so I guess I gotta get going. Well, stay tuned until next time, I guess. You guys might see my face next time. So, bye-bye.